Hey everybody, I am Kevin Clark. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of Plant Confidence Corporation and also the investment advisor responsible for programming the software. So just want to give you a quick update of how we did in February, what we're looking for in March, but wow, what a February. Volatility is back within the market. So in both directions, we saw a lot of volatility downwards as well as upwards, especially last Friday when the Dow moved over 800 points. So professional and ongoing advice. This isn't one and done or look at, at an annual basis or so. We're taking into consideration, obviously, everything that's going on with the markets, including volatility, which we haven't seen in quite some time. So with that, we have two moving components to your plan. We have the future contributions or money that goes in with every single paycheck, as well as then the rebalance instructions. So dependent upon whether you're using our semi-tactical or our strategic models will depend on how often and when you rebalance. But we have plans in place for volatility with both of these. So just know, obviously, volatility is not fun to see on the downward side when you look at the actual money in your plan, your current allocations. However, please know that it's very, very good for your future contributions or money that's going in every time you get paid. If the market's been going down for the past couple of weeks and you got money going in with that next paycheck, you buy more and more shares of what you were investing in prior. So every month we take a look at the future contributions and normally pick two equity or stock holdings categories and one fixed income or bond category. And then we program the software to go out on the first trading day of the month and tell you exactly what to do given the model. So it's obviously different percentages if you're aggressive versus conservative and so on. So with that, last month, we had you go into foreign large value, immediate government, and equity energy. So two out of those three actually, went down pretty good, which is good for buying more shares. However, the equity energy, due to the volatility in Ukraine and Russia, obviously it made it very the whole energy industry very unstable, and prices moved up. So we were right on two, wrong on one. And this month, we're recommending TIPS, Treasury Inflated Protected Securities, the health category, as well as mid-cap growth. Now, you may not have all those categories within your 401k plan. So let's say you don't have the TIPS on the fixed income side. We're going to find the closest, bond category in there, intermediate bond, so on and so forth. Same thing with the health category. A lot of plans might not have the health category, so we're going to try to find the closest one, if not default it to the S&P 500. A lot of them have a mid-cap growth value blend. We could usually get pretty close on that one. So check the percentages, the exact advice within your Plan Confidence dashboard to see the exact percentages, and whether we had to use proxies or not. We always put a little asterisk and tell you when we did. Now, I fully expect volatility to continue within all the categories. Obviously, the sanctions are just starting to take place within Russia. It's causing a lot of instability within Europe right now, which is going to bleed over into the United States as well too. So markets hate uncertainty. As crass as it sounds, markets don't care if we're at war, not at war. It's the uncertainty that the markets don't like. So we have a lot of uncertainty with this going on in Ukraine and just starting now to figure out which way things are going to head. Now, current dollars in the plan. So as I mentioned before, we have two moving parts. You've got the future contributions that money's going in every month, probably twice a month, three times a month, depending on how often you get paid. And then the overall rebalancing that you have within your plan. So if you're using our strategic models, they're going to remain fully invested and they're going to rebalance on a quarterly basis. So not this month, not on March 1st, but on Friday, April 1st, you'll actually receive the rebalance instructions so we could get back to the proper risk levels. If you're a moderate model, we're in 60-40, so 60% stocks, 40% bonds, aggressives 80-20. What we want to do is rebalance back to those. If you're using our semi-tactical models, we actually went to half cash on January 24th. So instead of our moderate model being 60% stocks, 40% bonds. We're now 30% stocks, 40% bonds, and then 30% in cash. So those models have moved, and until we get 2 out of 3 buy signals from the things we look at on a daily basis, I expect to remain not fully invested in those. So just know we combat volatility with highly diversified models, whether you're using semi-tactical or strategic. The semi-tactical just have that component on there where we're not going to remain fully invested. So we're never going to get out at the top. We're never going to get in right at the bottom, but it kind of puts some brakes on, if you will, if you're a little more concerned about that volatility. So if you have any questions about this or any other thing that's going on with Plant Confidence, right there in the upper right-hand corner above your advisor's picture is the please have, in this case, Albert Einstein, contact me. Just click that button and your advisor is going to get an email saying, hey, your client Kevin Clark wants you to contact him. Here's his email, here's his phone number. Or obviously we actually put the email, phone number, all that stuff right here for you to reach out to him as well. So either way, if you have any questions, please reach out to your advisor and ask the questions that you have. Don't let questions go unasked and unanswered, because that creates fear, misunderstanding, and things of that nature. So please, 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 please click that button, or contact your advisor if you do have any questions. And as always, I just want to thank you personally on behalf of Plant Confidence and the organization that we've built to provide you personalized, professional, ongoing advice. I just want to thank you for using Plant Confidence. Please let your friends, family, coworkers know that they too could have confidence in their plans. But with that too, stay safe, stay healthy, make it an awesome March, and peace.